Yo, what's going on guys? This is Tech Bacons, and today I'm going to bring you guys a quick hands-on review of the OnePlus 9. And special thanks to MMG Distribution for making this all possible. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting out with the unboxing, it comes with a nice looking OnePlus style red box. There's some usual manual booklets with SIM ejection tool, a silicone case with raise-up protection for your screen and rear camera module, a usual red Type-C to Type-C cable, and a whopping 65-watt charging brick which can fully charge up the phone just under 30 minutes. Sadly, the 3.5mm adapter is missing out, and I don't know why OnePlus skimmed out from this. I got the winter mist version and it's very well built and feels premium on hands. The phone weighs around 184 grams and weight distribution is also well balanced. The front and back is Corning Gorilla Glass 5 certified and wireless charging is also on deck. Oh, and there's a handy OnePlus alert slider which can switch between ring profiles in an instant. The screen quality on this phone is excellent too, as it sports a 6.55-inch 120Hz Fluid AMOLED screen with HDR10 Plus support. Although you do miss out the LTPO technology and a 2K Plus screen for the non-Pro version, but you still get an exceptional screen for content consumption. And under bright sunlight, the screen legibility is still great as the screen can ramp itself up to 1100 nits. This phone do provide a dual speaker setup with Dolby Atmos, which is a plus for content viewing on the go. Here are some sound samples for you guys. There are two configurations with this phone, and under the hood, it packs a Snapdragon 888, which is a blazing fast processor. Pairing it with the well-known minimalistic and optimized Oxygen OS, the phone chews through daily tasks like it's nothing. For gaming, this phone is also well expected, and it can handle a lot of titles with ease, such as Mobile Legends, PUBG, COD Mobile, and Genshin Impact. On high settings, you'll get very smooth gameplay without any frame drops. Now, for the Hasselblad tuned triple camera setup. You can expect really nice photo quality coming out from this phone. And I really like the camera app layout, and it is straightforward and user-friendly. Here are some photo samples from the main camera. Photos come out from the ultra-wide camera is also excellent, and photo quality don't differ much from the main camera. The ultra-wide camera, which also acts as a double-edged sword, and you can use it to take close-up macro shots. The main camera also supports up to 8K 30 frames per second, but there is only EIS support as OIS is absent from the non-Pro version. And finally, a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. I'm not a selfie guy, so I'll let my girlfriend do the job, and here are some photo samples for you guys. So, to wrap things up, I myself had been a OnePlus user and I owned a OnePlus 3T from few years ago. And I really like how OnePlus deliver a clean and minimalistic phone to use. As for the OnePlus 9, it still lives up to its name. and providing a sleek, smooth, bloatware-free user experience. And collaboration with Hasselblad, which make this a great point-and-shoot phone camera. So what do you guys think about this phone? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys are interested in this phone, I will leave the link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching this quick hands-on review, it really means a lot to me. If you like this kind of content, please do consider subscribing so you won't miss out on my latest uploads. Lastly, I'll see you guys on the next one.